Paradigm Shift is on a mission to increase the world's leadership capacity. My name is Jerrod Murr. I'm the Chief Visionary Officer and founder of Paradigm Shift, and I believe in leadership. John Maxwell said, everything rises and falls on leadership. I believe that our organizations need better leadership today. That doesn't mean that we have poor leaders. I believe that it means that our leaders are stretched more thin than ever before. Our people are asked to do more than ever before. The information overload actually taxes our leadership capability. So we want to refine that. We want to partner with your team, your managers, your leaders to increase their leadership capacity. They're probably already phenomenal people. That's why we are facilitators. You see, we're not just a sage from the stage coming in and telling you how you should do your business. We want to partner with you. We want to listen to you. And from that, we want to give ideas, thoughts, and new resources to increase your team's leadership capacity. That's why our Paradigm Shift logo is an origami swan, because the paper is already in the room. We just want to help you fold it a little bit differently.